Welcome to Sanctus Art. I'm Sanctus, and today, we will learn how to join two objects in Blender. Select the first object, hold Shift, and select the second object. Now with both objects selected, press Ctrl J, to join them. If you also want to connect them, there are many ways to do it. I will show you two simple methods. Go to Edit Mode, activate X-ray to see through objects, select two faces with the same amount of vertex, one on each object. Go to Edge, Bridge Edge Loops. This option removes the faces and connects the loops. You can verify that the faces are not there. Blender marks each face with a little dot in the middle. Now, let's say you don't want more edges, you just want to connect the vertex on each side. Start by removing the two faces, go to Top View. With X-ray activated, select all vertex involved in the merge. To align them, we will scale them down on Y-axis to 0, this makes the distance on Y-axis for all vertexes 0, aligning them perfectly. Press S for scale, Y, to do it only on Y-axis, then 0 and hit Enter. Now that we have all vertex aligned, we will merge them. Go to Mesh, Clean Up, Merge by Distance. Notice that 4 vertex were removed, and now your merge is complete. Now let's say you want to separate your objects again, or any part of your mesh to make a new separated object. Go to Edit Mode, select the part of the mesh you want to separate and hit P, and choose Selected. There you go. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment or subscribe if you find this useful. It will help me dedicate more time to create new and improved tutorials.